Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In this video, let's discuss theory of equation, 2 marks important questions. So the first question is given that find the equation whose roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 and 1 plus or minus 2i. As discussed in the video of quadratic equations, we know that the formula of equation whose roots are alpha and beta, that is x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta. So first take this alpha as 2 plus root 3 and beta as 2 minus root 3. Find alpha plus beta. 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, that is root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled, that is 4. Find the value of alpha beta. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So substitute in this, x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So this is one equation, and find the equation using this as roots. So next, alpha is equals to 1 plus 2i and beta equals to 1 minus 2i. So alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha beta is equals to 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i, that is a minus 4i square. 1 minus 4, this is minus 1, so this becomes 5. Substitute in the formula of this, so that becomes x square minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So if you multiply these two equations, that is this equation and this equation, x square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So this is the required equation. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that if minus 1, 2 and alpha are the roots of the equation 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 equals to 0. Find alpha. Solution. Write the given equation. 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6. The given roots minus 1, 2 and alpha. So find S1, which is sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. From this, b is 1 and a is 2. So alpha value is minus 1, beta value is 2 and gamma value is alpha is equals to minus 1 by 2. This is 1 plus alpha is equals to minus 1 by 2. Alpha is equals to, take this 1 to that side, it becomes minus 1. So this becomes minus 3 by 2. So the value of alpha is minus 3 by 2. Coming to the next sum, it is given that if the product of roots of equation 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a is 9, then find the value of a. So find the value of a. So write the given equation. The given equation is 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a equals to 0. The given condition is, let's take alpha, beta, gamma as roots. The product of roots is 9. That is S3 formula, which is alpha, beta, gamma, that is minus d by a. So minus d value is minus of minus a and a value is 4, which is equals to 9. A by 4 equals to 9. A equals to 36. So the value of A is 36. So the equation becomes 4x cube plus 16x square plus minus 9x plus 36 equals to 0. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous question. Now let's go to the next question, which is given that if alpha, beta and 1 are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, then find alpha, beta. Solution. The given equation, that is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6, the given roots, which is alpha, beta and 1. So from this find S1. S1 means sum of roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is minus b by a. B is minus 2, that is 2 by 1, 2. So the given roots are alpha plus, substitute alpha, beta, gamma in this, equals to 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to 1. Take this as equation 1. Now find sum of roots, product of roots, that is alpha into beta into gamma is equals to minus d by a. D is 6, minus 6 by 1 minus 6. So alpha beta is equals to, as gamma is 1, substitute 1. So alpha beta is equals to minus 6. From using equation 1 and 2, find the value of alpha minus beta, that is root over alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So this becomes, substitute alpha plus beta as 1, 1 minus 4 minus 6, that is root over 1 plus 24, root 25, that is 5. So the value of alpha minus beta is 5. Take this as equation 3. Now solve equation 1 and 3. So from equation 1 and 2, 1 and 3, these are the values. Elimination method. 2 alpha is equals to 6. Alpha is equals to 3. Substitute 3 in this. Alpha plus 3 is equals to 1 and alpha plus beta is equals to, so beta equals to minus 2. Therefore alpha equals to 3 and beta equals to minus 2. That's it. So I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0, find the value of sigma alpha square beta square. Solution. The given equation, x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. The given roots, alpha comma beta comma gamma. So we have to find the value of sigma alpha square beta square. Sigma alpha square beta square can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma plus alpha whole square minus 2 alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma. So find the values of S1, S2, S3 from this equation. So S1, which is alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a, that is 2. S2, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is c by a, that is 3. And S3, alpha into beta into gamma, product of roots, that is minus d by a minus of minus 4 by 1, that is 4. So substitute the values in this equation. So sigma alpha square beta square is equals to S2 whole square. S2 whole square means 3 whole square minus 2 into 4 into 2. 9 minus 16. This becomes minus 7. So the value of Sigma alpha square beta square is minus 7. So coming to the next sum, it is given that find the equation whose roots are reciprocals of the roots of the given equation x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. Solution. Now take this equation equal to f of x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So it has asked us to find the value of reciprocal of the roots. So reciprocal of the roots is 1 by x. So in the place of x, substitute 1 by x. 1 by x power 4 minus 3 by x cube plus 7 by x square plus 5 by x minus 2 equals to 0. Find LCM, which is x power 4. So 1 minus 3x plus 7x square plus 5x cube minus 2x power 4 by x power 4 equals to 0. Cross multiply. 1 minus 3x plus 7x square plus 5x cube minus 2x power 4 equals to 0. To eliminate minus, multiply both sides by minus 1. So this becomes 2x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the required equation for the reciprocal of the roots. That's it. So coming to the next question, it is given that find the monic polynomial equation of the degree 3 whose roots are 3, 2, 3 and 6. So the formula is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equals to 0. So alpha is 2, beta is 3, gamma is 6. Substitute x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 6 equals to 0. First multiply these two equations, x square minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 6 equals to 0. Multiply x square with each term, so x cube minus 6x square minus 5x square plus 30x plus 6x minus 36 equals to 0. So this becomes x cube minus 11x square plus 36x minus 36 is equals to 0. So this is the required monopolynomial equation. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that if 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the roots of the given equation x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0, then find the value of a, b, c, d. Solution. So first find S1, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is minus b by a. So add these all, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to minus b is minus a by 1. This is 10 equals to minus a equals to minus 10. So the value of a is minus 10. Now find the value of a S2, that is so S2 is this. Substitute the equation, substitute the values, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 3 is equals to c is minus b, c is b. So this is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 equals to b. This is 5, 9, 15, 23, 23 plus 12 is 25, 35. So the value of b is 35. Similarly, let's find the values of C, that is S3, which is alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus into alpha plus gamma, that is equals to minus D by A. Substitute the values. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 4, 3 into 4 into 1 plus 2 equals to minus C by A. 2 into 7 plus 12 into 3 equals to minus C. 14 plus 36 is equals to minus C. So C is equals to minus 50. So similarly, D is equals to. If you find this video to be informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.